That car's worth more than a Tesla.
Even go with the Tesla thing with you. I'm just gonna get right to the bread and butter of it.
In love with it, and I sold my '56 Chevy to buy this truck.
Oh, wow. It was new.
So I found this car in Green Bay 3 years ago, and I've been having fun ever since.
And that's my second. That would have been my second choice, or actually my first choice.
Okay.
But I couldn't afford him. I'm not rich like him.
1,000 G's in control.
Looking good.
Looking what?
Yeah, looking good.
Shout out to the real that got up, got it out the mud. Started off at nothing, now we the same ones that run it up. You know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that it's May. I'm praying to God they give me more.
Finally going home. What, 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. You know, I make those.
to all the real. Still numb to how I hate or feel, cause they just wanna